Good morning! Yan, magandang umaga talaga. It's bright and sunny. Masaya yung mga ibon. Today, dahil maaga ako nagising, I will bake something special and I'm gonna show it to you. See you!
Ayan, napakasimple lamang po ng ating recipe for today. This is what I call pizza patata. A very simple recipe, nakakaiba. I'm gonna start this series called Bake It Like You Mean It. O, diba? And as the name of the recipe suggests, ito po ang ating bida sa ating recipe for today. Patatas or potatoes. We are going to slice it very thinly. So if you can slice it so thinly, much better. Next, our top secret ingredients are olive oil and crushed garlic. Ibabad lang po ang ating crushed garlic sa olive oil. And because this is a pizza recipe, we will need flour. So we are gonna need 3 cups of flour so that we can make a dough. We need 300 ml of water. Hindi kinakailangan maligamgam. Just pour it sa ating mga harina. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix. And let's not forget to add half a teaspoon of salt. And sprinkle lang po ang ating konting salt sa ating harina. And add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then continue stirring or mixing our dough ingredients, and then tuloy-tuloy na po tayo magmasa ng ating pizza dough. Yan! So now starts what I call bake it like you mean it. So ang lola niyo po is not an expert or professional baker. I simply try to teach myself how to bake because this is my stress reliever. Stress reliever because pagkatapos mag-bake, of course, meron akong makakain. Okay, so as we need this dough recipe, ay dagdagan pa unti-unti ng olive oil kung sa palagay nyo ay medyo malagkit. So, let's just skip the olive oil for like 1 to 2 tablespoons. Ayan, so pwede nating slap and fold kung wala tayong machine. But if we have machine, we can use machine para naman hindi tayo mapagod as we need this dough. So, okay, just knead it until it becomes soft and smooth. And then, pagkatapos ay pahira na po ng olive oil ng ating bowl. And then, we will rest this baby. We will let it rest until this baby has doubled in size, okay?
Hi guys! So today ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating pizza patata. So this is another kind of pizza. Yung dati I showed you how to make ubas pizza. Now I'm gonna show you what is pizza patata. Let's go! So eto na po ang ating dough. Tumubo na siya. It has doubled in size. Beautifully. Classic pizza dough. Okay. Yan. So, tanggalin muna natin ang ating excess air. Ang bango. So, it has pushed very, very well.
Isawsaw po ang ating daliri, ang dulo ng ating mga daliri sa ating olive oil with crushed garlic. At pagkatapos ay masahe. Imasahe natin gently ang ating mga daliri sa ating pizza dough upang ang oil ay mailapat sa sosyal na pizza dough na ito, pasosyal. Gusto may masahe pa. Now, we will sprinkle some salt sa ating pizza dough para sa kanyang dagdag lasa. At para naman sa major event, yan, ilalapat na po natin ang ating patatas pizza toppings. So, these are just the ingredients we need for this patatas pizza: dough, olive oil, slices of potatoes, and the secret cheeses. Yan, matapos natin mailapat lahat ang ating mga potatoes. Again, dab some olive oil sa ating potatoes and sprinkle some salt. And then, we will do the next half of our pizza dough. Just repeat the same steps. First, flatten our dough using a rolling pin or however way you like it, for as long as you will flatten your dough. Once we have a beautiful flat dough, ilagay na po sa ating pan ang ating pang-pizza. Nakita niyo naman meron akong sprinkled na semolina flour sa aking baking sheet. And then next, second step again, dab some olive oil sa ating dough. Masahe ulit. Dip our fingertips doon sa ating olive oil with garlic and then dab it on our pizza. Third step, we will top our pizza dough with thin slices of potatoes again. So we will just repeat the same process. Now that we have arranged our thin slices of pizza sa ating pizza dough, dab some olive oil on it. And next, let's not forget to sprinkle some salt sa ating potatoes para sa dagdag lasa. And now, ihahanda na po natin ang ating combination of cheeses. The secret to a very yummy pizza ay maraming queso.
cheese that is your favorite, you have to combine at least 3 to 4 kinds. Okay, so magdadagdag ng lola yun. Alright. Together para sa ating pagbudbud mamaya. Masarap ang ating pizza patata. Patatas pizza. Next. Ito. Malansa.
Isang makabagbag damdaming tip na naman ang aking ibibigay sa inyo. Gumamit po ng pizza stone. Kung wala tayong pizza stone, we can use tiles. Yung tiles na hindi pa po nagagamit at malinis, ilagay sa oven while we are preheating our oven upang pag nilapat na po natin ang ating pizza, bam! Mabilis na maluluto ang kanyang ilalim, magiging crunchy and soft ang ating pizza. So how did I bake this pizza patatas? Only for 15 minutes to 100 degrees Celsius.
Can you hear that crust or crunch? This is my very simple, very humble patatas pizza. So, eto na po ang aking crunchy and soft pizza patata. A combination of 3 different kinds of cheeses.